right. We'll drive west a little bit.
That's it.
Lancaster, you're going to see a whole lot more. That's just kind of a problem. Did you?
Autumn
My mother
in
said,
Pennsylvania.
why are you going?
New Hope, Pennsylvania. Now we're moving again.
I like the train rides.
Look at beautiful train ride. Not too many changing the leaves of the tree, but there's some. There's some. Yeah. Well, this is really the beginning of the fall season. I guess when we get to the middle or later half of the of October or November, we're in the middle of October, maybe November. By November, you see more falling leaves and more changing leaves. Huh?
We were going this way, now we're going this way to go back.
That's Genevieve, Alicia's daughter. My grandniece. She's right there looking out the window. Watch out, you don't turn that knob. You open it, you're going to fall down. See that knob?
If we were going this way, now we're going this way.
Look like cornfield.
Cornfield is green.
That's it.
If you see from
See the cornfield? Alicia? Cornfield. We're going backwards, aren't we? We're going backwards now. We're going backwards, probably going back to the station.
Yeah, we're going back to the station.
You see cornfields.
When we go back to the
Trees in the background. You see a change of the color right there, the trees. Of the tree. Hear the sound of the train. Huh? Yeah. Corn. That's Maeve. That's Alicia. Kathy behind her. Kathy's behind Alicia. Maeve is waving. And Genevieve is waving too. She was waving. Those are my grandnieces. I got grandnephews too, but they didn't come to the ride, on the train ride. We're going backwards now, probably back to this train station. Maybe. I assume that's where we're going. I'm not saying that's where we're going. Yeah. Look at those trees. Look at that beautiful scenery. See it? Look at that. Beautiful, wonderful. Autumn in Pennsylvania. Watch out for you. Watch out for you. That's Genevieve. Lisa's daughter, my grandniece. Look at that beautiful ride. Look at this. Huh? Beautiful, beautiful. Wise out too, come at you from the sea where I live, over and out.